Welcome to Vacuum Wars, and to our best carpet cleaner video for 2024. This year, I went all out and bought almost every popular consumer carpet cleaner on the market and put them through a grueling series of tests, including a brand new test where I think I finally found a way to measure actual performance in a fair way. In this video, I'll go over the specs, features, and test results that we took into account when giving them scores and why we did it that way. And then I'll reveal the top carpet cleaners according to those scores, as well as our picks for 3 important categories. So links in the description, and let's get started. First, the basics. All of these carpet cleaners work the same basic way. That is, you fill their clean water tanks with water and the included carpet shampoo. Most of them have a trigger on the handle, which you depress to apply the water solution mix to the carpet. You then vacuum back and forth as the brushes agitate the carpet and the machine sucks up the dirty water into the dirty water tank. Some of them do not have triggers but switch between the water and suction only modes automatically, and I did give them a few extra points if they had that feature. I gave them a lot of extra points if they had a hose option. This means that they come with a hose between 7 and 12 feet long, as well as at least one attachment which can be used to clean upholstery, stairs, or particularly tough stains. Almost all of the ones I tested had a hose option except for the ultra budget options like the Hoover PowerDash Pet and the Bissell TurboClean. The Shark Expert has a hose that is on board, meaning that it is more or less permanently attached for easy access, kind of like an upright vacuum. We tested their power in various ways. For example, we measured their suction on max power at the hose and or base. We also measured what we call usable suction, which is the suction power measured at the head on a flat, unsealed surface, which I consider to be a more useful metric. Interestingly, both the premium and budget Sharks were way above the competition in terms of this kind of suction power. We took into account all kinds of specs and features. For example, their tank size, where you can see that the Bissell Big Green and the Rug Doctor had the biggest tanks by far. And I should say that if you have a very large area to clean and or you plan on using these machines like every day, you should consider one of these larger commercial types. The larger tanks mean that you have to empty and fill the tank up a lot less times per job, which can be a pain. Also, these commercial types are built to a much higher standard as they're often used in rental fleets, and so it's easier to find parts for them as well. I gave them points if they had multiple water modes. For example, some people may want to use less water because they want their carpets to dry faster. Also, some of them have rinse-only modes where you can only use water. Some of them have completely unique features like the Bissell 2X Revolution Pet Pro, which has the so-called clean shot where you hit a button with your foot and it sprays water solution mix directly on the stain, kind of like a pre-treatment. The Bissell Hydro Steam is the only one that uses steam. The Tinko Carpet One is the only one that uses hot air to dry the carpets and to keep water warm. It's also the only one with a dirt sensor and automatic suction adjustment feature where it automatically adjusts the suction up or down based on how dirty the carpet is. I also took into account things like their weight, cord length, and number of attachments. Let's move on to the stain test, which I'm excited to introduce because despite doing stain tests on carpet cleaners for several years now, I've yet to find a way to give them unbiased scores for their actual stain removal until now. I started by applying the exact same amounts of juice to white carpet and letting it dry for several days. I made a big batch of the exact same cleaning solution mix for all the carpet cleaner tests. I wanted to use the exact same brand of carpet shampoo and the exact same water shampoo ratio so that I could be sure it was the machine I was testing and not the specific shampoo brand. I measured the perceptual lightness, that is, the CIE Lab L data of each stain, both before and after the test, using a spectrophotometer. I took 5 measurements for each stain, eliminating the highest and lowest measurement and averaging the other 3. If you're counting at home, that's over 400 measurements, so feel free to like and subscribe. I did a total of 4 5-second back and forth passes on max power and let the stains dry for 24 hours before measuring their lightness again. Before I move to the results, I should say that I did not use a pre-treatment spray because I wanted a little bit of the stain left behind to measure. But if you're trying to remove similar stains in the real world, I would highly recommend spraying the stain with a pre-treatment first before using the carpet cleaner. I will link which pre-treatment spray I have found to be the most effective in various tests in the description section as well. The results of the stain test were interesting. The Shark Expert was the best, with the Kenmore and Bissell Big Green right behind it. Interestingly, the ultra-budget versions, the Bissell TurboClean and the Hoover PowerDash Pet, rounded out the top 5 results in the stain tests. But after adding up all the scores, not just the stain tests, the top 5 overall looked like this, and the top 5 when the price was taken into account looked like this. In both cases, the Shark EX201 Carpet Expert was number 1 overall, with the Bissell 2X Revolution Pet Pro runner-up. As far as my personal picks, naturally my pick for the best overall is the Shark EX201. It had great suction power, the best stain reduction score, and a lot of versatility with its onboard hose and extra features. It's also being sold at what I think is a great price for a premium carpet cleaner. Its one downside is a somewhat small water tank, though in previous tests we found its water efficiency to be pretty good. My best value pick goes to the Kenmore KW4070 Revitalight Pet. It was second place in the stain reduction test, but it comes in at a significantly lower cost than the Shark or Bissell 2X Revolution and has most of the same features. Finally, my pick for the ultra-budget option is the Bissell TurboClean Power Brush Pet. It was surprisingly good in the stain tests. It's very lightweight and very inexpensive, with the main downside being a small water tank, no extra features, and no hose attachment. Links in the description to all the winners, and be sure to subscribe to Vacuum Wars before you leave. Thanks for watching. All of the links in our description section are updated regularly to reflect our current favorite vacuums in multiple categories. If you don't know where to start, check out our latest Vacuum Buyer's Guide video linked here. You'll also find links to the vacuumwars.com website in the description, where we post all the latest vacuum news, as well as much more detailed top 5 lists in multiple categories.